Back to my channel. It's your girl Mikala Lyne, and if you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do just like a day in life. I'm going to the salon, so it'll be like a salon vlog or a day in the life going to the salon or whatever. Actually, I can tell I took my lashes off to get my little lashes a little, you know, a little breathing, a little breath. But yeah, my hair looking a little crazy because I worked out last night and it sweated out, so I'm going to get my second session of my color. So y'all, fingers crossed that it worked today, because I really want this color in my hair, so I'm really hoping that it comes out perfect and everything like that. So I'm actually about to do my devotion and then head out, probably stop at either Smoothie King or Starbucks because today is Friday. So you know, Smoothie King got the deal of $5 Friday, so I might go and do that if I have time, and if not, I'll just go straight to my appointment. My appointment's at 12:30, so I'm gonna try to get as much as I can. Can't make no promises, but I'm gonna try to get as much as I can. My color, like, it's there, like at the bottom, you can see it, like it's kind of there, but we needed to pop some more. So I'm gonna catch y'all later on once I'm at my appointment, or when I'm on my way to my appointment, and I'll show y'all everything that's going on, the color and everything. So hopefully at the end of this vlog, I'll have a whole nother hair color in my head. So fingers crossed that we get the hair color that we want today, okay? Like, no more black. That's all I'm looking for. No more black, okay? So I'll catch y'all later. Okay, y'all, so I made it to Starbucks. I just ordered my drink and also my stylist drink. So it's actually 12:29, so I'm gonna be a little late, but it's okay because I'm getting us both a drink. And I forgot to tell you, I got a facial. That's what my face look like, real glowy or whatever. But yeah, I'm just waiting on our drink. And I was cleaning out my car, and y'all, why do I have all these spoolies for my lashes? Why I have 4 in here and I have like 6 at home? Why do I have that much? That don't make no sense to me at all. That don't make no sense. But I'm just waiting on our drinks. And then y'all, I bought me some AirPod Pros, and y'all, these are the best. Like, they so bum. They way better than the regular AirPods. So if you can, get you some. Okay, y'all. Literally, ooh, this Starbucks here, my drink look good, but this Starbucks, they just kind of they're making me late. And it better be good. Okay, it's good. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all once I get to my appointment. Yeah, I'll catch y'all once I get to my appointment. That I've been trying to get to for the past 2 weeks. She did it perfect, y'all. Like, y'all, this is so perfect. I love it. And then, like, when it get, whew, I'm in love. But whenever it gets like when I wear it in its natural state, it's gonna be even better. So, and then my hair is still growing, y'all. It's still growing. And the process, how she did everything, was so healthy. I'm gonna put her name on the screen again. Y'all better book. Y'all better book with her, because I showed her a picture. She did it the exact same way I wanted, and I love it. So what I'm gonna do with this vlog, I'm gonna go ahead and make this kind of like a weekend vlog, well, 2-day vlog. I was, like I said at the beginning of the video, I was gonna make it just a day in the life, but I don't have enough footage for that. So and I want it to be like a short video. So I'm gonna just bring y'all along with me tomorrow. I have a few stuff that I want to do. I'm about to head to my church right now because we have to do a virtual Bible study, and I do the live streaming. So I'm heading there now for 6 o'clock. And then tomorrow, I want to go get my new phone. I'm trying to get a iPhone 12 Pro Max. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that I can get it tomorrow. Then I might go get my nails done because I want my nails done like a short, cute look. And then I'm trying to see what else. What else I need to do tomorrow? Yeah, I don't even know. Like, I had some stuff in my mind. I'm gonna just bring y'all along with me tomorrow, because I will eventually remember what I have to do tomorrow. So yeah, I love my hair, so I'll catch y'all later. Happy Saturday. I'm actually in a rush a little bit because Mom outside. I always say that in every vlog, Mom always outside, but I made me a little smoothie, a quick little smoothie. I'm almost finished with it, and we about to go ahead and run our errands. We have a lot to do today, so I'm gonna just bring y'all along with me, and I'll show you everything that I'm doing. I do know for sure I'm getting my phone today, and I'm gonna get my nails done this evening. So yeah, so just continue to watch the vlog, and I hope y'all like it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, and leave a comment and like, y'all know, all of the whole 9 yards. So let me go ahead and go, and I'll catch y'all a little later. Okay, y'all, so I got my phone. I got the 12 Pro Max. The man told us the black. I'm gonna try to show y'all, but now I'm about to run some errands, and I'll catch y'all. This is
wherever you got it from, have them come out
a black
and inspect it,
it's so
and
pretty,
make sure
y'all.
that the water didn't set in it and over here.
it's in y'all state, y'all should try because it's good. I got, what is this? I got watermelon on top, blue bomb in the middle, and then mango madness at the bottom. Y'all, it's good. Like, it's really good. I told him I'm gonna catch him here throughout this whole vlog. I'm gonna keep putting him on camera. Mama.
What I do is I get on there and say something nasty.
I need to find me something for my eyelashes. Like, my eyelashes are still, they still here after the extensions or whatever, but I want them to be more thicker, so I'm trying to find something for that. But yeah, nails done, hair done, everything. So I want to come back on here and just close out the video. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, this vlog. I hope y'all like my new hair color and everything. I showed y'all in one of the clips, I got this. One of the ladies in there said it works really good and her lashes look real good, so I got that. Then I got me some rollerball perfume. So yeah, that's all I got. So this weekend was kind of like a self-care, self-love weekend for myself. To get my hair done, my nails done, you know, everything did. Yes. But if you did like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe. Y'all hear Charlie Wilson in the background. And turn on your post notifications. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.